What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the old Ram again. We got some parts that really need to be changed as soon as possible because we got some leakage. So let's get that Ram inside and let's start working. By the way guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure that your post notifications are on, because at 500 subscribers we're going to give away the Absolute Rebuilds hoodie. Okay guys, so we come a long way already. We got the radiator out, we got the shroud out, and as you can see the radiator was leaking right here. The fins are completely gone and messed up, so it was leaking coolant, squirting all over the area. And then of course you got the visco clutch, so everywhere was coolant, but we found it. Got a new radiator here, and while we got this all apart, we're also going to do this bearing, since this bearing failed on our holiday. I'm also going to change the water pump as well. So time to continue, time to get the belt off, get that clutch off, and then remove the water pump, the air compressor, and the alternator as well. So fun times guys. Okay guys, so if you want to get this visco clutch off, all you have to do is get some vice grips, stick it onto the pulley underneath the water pump, then get a 36 mil to loosen the bolt, and then the clutch comes off. Very easy. I already did it, as you can see. The bolt is loose, so I will remove the vice grips. And you want to leave the belt on as well, to have some extra tension on the pulley, and don't drop the clutch. So after removed the belt, now we're going to loosen all the bolts for the alternator, for the air compressor as well. Also remove the bracket right there, so we can take this all apart. Also going to change out this bearing as well. Then you need to take off this is a complete bracket, and then we finally get to the water pump where we can change it. And I know this guys, because I already had one hose here that had a small leak, so it was leaking coolant everywhere. But then I noticed the water pump was also bad, but unfortunately I was stranded at work, so I just used instant gasket. But it's time to change the water pump as well. So with the alternator and the airco clutch removed, we finally got nice access to this big bracket. So we will remove the bracket and then we got access to the water pump. Okay guys, so we got some new hoses. We got a new pulley with the bearing. Also new belt because the other one was quite squeaky. And we got a new water pump as well. And of course the new radiator. Okay guys, so we got a new radiator, we got new hoses, we got a new water pump, and we got new pulleys with bearings. So this old Dodge is good to go. All that's left to do now is fill her up with coolant, fire her up, turn the heater on to maximum heat, and then maybe drive it a little bit and then check the fluids once again. So we got the ram all fixed up, we got no leaks whatsoever, she warms up perfectly, no hassle, no more air in the cooling system. So that's the end of this video. Guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that post notification button as well, and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.